Hey guys, DL here. Today, I'm going to be teaching you a famous Chinese art called tigerstyle. Today I will only teach you the tiger claw technique. Now watch my hands carefully, alright? I open my hands out. I curl my hands like this. See my hands? Now my fingertips, I will have to push outwards like this. And make sure your hands coiled back like this. This will cause less shock back from impacting things. So, basically, tiger form, you go forward and side to side. Now let's try this carefully, alright? I will only be doing this in the air so there's no damage to myself. Now for front forward, you go this. And to side, you do this. And to harden your hands, you will have to do this. Watch my hands carefully. On any hard object you have. Do that to any hard object and make sure it's not too bad for your hands. And as a demonstration, I will do it to a tree. We'll do this to this tree, since it's the closest tree I got. Alright, watch carefully. Do that several times to your hands. Also, as a quick warning, make sure your nails are cut when training. And for even better results, do push-ups, but instead of putting your hands like this, you do push-ups with your fingertips, like so. Only a few people can do this though. 1 out of 10 people can do it. Believe me, I've seen it. It's hard. And that's the basic tiger claw technique. See y'all guys later. This is DL's Dojo, and we're striping out.